Welcome back, Lina girls over there, Davey D's over here. Let's do it. Time for some shakas and shoutouts.
All right, let's kick it off with shakas and shoutouts to Zaya. Zaya, thank you, brother. Zaya Kennedy Lolotai, who has a brand new single out called A Couple Minutes. Take a listen.
They're her right there. So smooth, yeah, her vocals.
That is, I just love that she's singing in ʻŌlelo Hawaiʻi.
Yeah,
That's
absolutely.
sweet, beautiful, soulful, R&B style.
I think Imua Garza produced the track there for Zaya. And of course, she comes from the talented Kennedy Ohana,
No
which
kidding.
includes her papa, Danny Kennedy of the Mana'o Company, Caleb Keolanui from The Green, and Micah G.
The other brother, AJ, also jammed too.
AJ can sing. Ooh, you right.
It's a thing, I'm telling you. And shakas and shout-outs to the Manini Collective. The newly formed group of Hawaii-based contemporary artists announced Calabash, its inaugural group exhibition.
By the way, those are the artists. That was in the Keolanui Ohana.
I know, I was just like...
They watch you right now thinking, that's
not
us.
the Keolanuis. That's the guys that put together Calabash.
Those are the artists, yes. Calabash, of course, a vessel historically used for food and everyday life, is a metaphor for collective experience, a shared container shaped by what is held, passed down, and left behind.
The exhibition is free and open to the public and will be on view March 6th through March 15th at Kayao Space on Smith Street.
All right, shakas and shoutouts to Generations Magazine. It is bringing us a 2026 Generation Senior Fair on Friday, February 20th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Windward Mall.
Talk story with experts in senior care, caregiving, health, finance, medical services, and a variety of other topics important to our kupuna.
Plus, win prizes, including the grand prize drawing, a 4-night California hotel and meal package from Vacations Hawaii.
Oh, you know they're going to scoop that up.
For more information about the 2026 Senior Fair or the Manini Collective, go to kitv.com/links.